there is Raghavendra hotel is there, just in the ground floor. Usually I will go there, I will take some green tea or otherwise chai, like it's a. There is one person is there, man. There is one person is there in the counter. One day, maybe some reason, his irritation or frustration showed on me. Okay, maybe just some no, nothing happened. Just while giving the money or taking the money or otherwise something. Believe me, even I want to go for chai. First thing I will check if that person is there in the counter. If he's there in the counter, I won't take. I will go to some other shop. I will go to some other shop. Have you observed, right? A small thing. Just I'm there in front of him, but so almost 100 feet away, I will walk and then go for chai in some other shop. Small frustration. Observe the difference. Okay, not only even for the customer side, for him also it is the problem. But after a few days, I didn't complain. I won't mind anything. Just like I will go. After a few days, I never saw that person again. In that chair, I never saw that person again in that chair. Okay, maybe. Okay, so that's why take frustration, angriness, these kind of things always a bigger problem. Yes, the person who is unable to smile is unfit for the business. Unfit for the business. Smiling must be compulsory requirement.